Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy movement, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. Honestly, the last time I looked at this chart, I was planning on talking about it in a whole different light, because the last time I saw it, the price was doing a great job of just holding up here above this $1.33 mark. And you can see throughout the course of the day, you know, bounce, bounce, bounce. And then apparently in the final portion of the day, the price no longer bounced, and it broke down below there and closed at the lows of the day. So definitely not really a good sign of strength. Now, does that mean the entire chart is destroyed? I'm not saying that, but certainly a pretty rough way to end the day here, which brings about the first update, and that is just simply based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So $1.33, which like I said, was a level of support essentially all day long, that now becomes the initial area of resistance if the price does bounce. Now, if the price can all of a sudden snap back above there, the next key level of resistance to turn your attention to would be up there at $1.45. So again, going into Thursday, initial area of resistance at $1.33 and then $1.45. As far as levels of support are concerned, kind of in no man's land right now. So the easiest way to kind of judge where this thing could potentially head is to keep an eye on the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Tricky part there is, yeah, right now it's valued at $1.06, but that is a moving average, meaning that value is going to change and move over time. So, you know, what that value is at what point tomorrow, you don't know that, but just keep an eye on that purple line there, because right now it is, like I said, kind of in free fall mode now that it's entered this area of the chart. So we'll see if the price works its way down to that 50 period or not, and if it does, then that's certainly a level that you would really want to see the price hold strong as support. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.